Hey guys, a third padlock out of the closeout store where I purchased 4 padlocks. Their price, whoever they are, excuse me, $3.99. Our price, the price I paid, $1.99. Cal lock padlock, 1 1/4 inch, and it says high security right here. Cal lock right here. On the back, 1 1/4 inch, 30 millimeter padded laminated padlock. Cal lock, brass pin tumbler security, hardened steel shackle, pick resistant, double locking, heavy layered steel body, resists cutting, sawing. Now here's what I find really interesting. It says here double locking, but over here it says single locking. Okay. Hardened steel shackle, heavy layered steel body, solid brass cylinder, 2 keys came with it, and a plastic bumper, which is this little thing right here. Down here it says made to USA specifications in China for Cal Lock, La Puente, California. I might have butchered the name of the city, so sorry about that. But, okay. Still made in China. Get her out of the package. And it looks like a 1, 2, 3. Looks like a little 4-pin. Hopefully you can see that. Tiny little thing. Well, I'm going to go with what I did the last time. Go for the Peterson pry bar. Yep, fits down in there. And let's see. And it even says right here, made in China. Up here, 30 millimeter. So I'm going to switch tension wrenches here. Yeah, it feels a little better. Maybe. And I'll probably switch in too many times, too many tools. I wonder. I'm going to play. Oddly enough, no, it will not just rock open. Okay. Well, just for the heck of it. These little locks can be fiddly. So I'm going to go back to this, and boop-de-doop. Nope, doesn't just rake open. Single pin picking's a little elusive. So Back to the Peterson I go. There we go. After a little playing around and mucking about, I'm just goofing. These are such small padlocks. I like to play, so. Open. Oops. Well, there's the key working. Well, that's a little gritty. Locked up. Definitely doesn't just open any old way. Key working again. Now, back to the packaging. It says double locking. Well, here we go, double locking. However, down here said single locking. Alrighty, guys. Well, cheap little padlock picked out of the package. Take care.